sitting round feeling down in the dumps. Found joy in nature, out busting his rum to share his joy with others. This is what he wants. His name is Jolly, and these are his jaunts.
Howdy folks, it's Jolly here, welcoming you to today's Mindfulness Moment and Meditation. As always, our goal is to give you the opportunity to mindfully connect with nature and yourself with a short, silent meditation. During the meditation, I invite you to do your best to focus on what you see and hear in the video. If you find yourself distracted by your thoughts and feelings at any point, greet them like an old friend, saying internally or out loud, "Thanks for visiting. I'm busy at the moment, but feel free to stop by later," and then return to your focus. Okay, let's take a deep breath together, which I always say is the only thing a person truly needs. Okay, let's begin. I'll let you know when our time is up. All right, folks. That's our time for today. I hope you found this time together helpful and nourishing. Until next time, this is Jolly signing off. Peace and love, everyone.